If you've been wondering, can you cancel reserved time on Calendly? The short answer is yes, but it depends on how that reserved time was created. In Calendly, reserved time is usually a time slot you set aside using a one-off meeting, also called a single-use link. So if you no longer need that reserved slot, the way to remove it is to delete the one-off meeting. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to do that quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Calendly tips and simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and go to Scheduling. This is where Calendly keeps your booking and availability tools, including anything related to single-use links. Next, open the Single-Use Links tab. This tab shows the one-off meetings you've created, including any reserved time slots that are tied to them. Now, find the one-off meeting you want to remove. If you have more than one link listed, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if it was created for a specific client, event, or internal hold. After you've found it, click the three dots next to that meeting. This opens the options menu for that single-use link. From the menu, select Delete. Calendly will usually ask you to confirm this action, so go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you do that, the reserved time will be removed and the one-off meeting will no longer be available for anyone to use. That means the slot is no longer being held as a reserved booking option. If you are hoping to free up that time so it can be booked normally again, this is the step that does it. Just remember, deleting the single-use link is what removes the reserved time, so you don't need to hunt through every event type or availability setting. You're simply removing the one-off meeting that created that hold in the first place. If you manage appointments often, this is a really useful feature because it gives you more control over temporary scheduling blocks without changing your whole calendar setup. And that's it. You now know how to cancel reserved time on Calendly by deleting the one-off meeting behind it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.